I mean, Qurbani can go on, but if it is above the age of 14 years for a cow or for that family, the certificate has to be given. Mr. Humayun Kabir, if you have to stay in Bengal, you need to follow the rules of Bengal. I mean, Qurbani can go on, but if it is above the age of 14 years for a cow or for that family, the certificate has to be given. Mr. Humayun Kabir, if you have to stay in Bengal, you need to follow the rules of Bengal. And if you think you can't follow the rules of Bengal, you are welcome to go to any other state where you are allowed. Or that, if that is also not allowed, you can go out of the country. There are other 55, 56 Islamic nations, where you can go. But if you have to stay in Bharat, you have to behave like a Bharatiya, and you have to follow the rules and regulations of the Constitution and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Why won't it take place? Because Vande Mataram is you are worshipping your country as your mother. You are Bandana. You are worshipping, our Bharat, which we call, whom we call Bharat Ma. So if you can, worship your mother, your Ammi, then why can't you worship our land, our mother, Bharat Ma, who have fed you, who have protected you, who have given you everything all these years? Again, you have to follow the law of the land. You can't say that I am a Muslim and I will not worship Bharat Ma. I will not follow the law of the land. Of course, you can go to court. Anybody has the authority to go to court. But if you are in Bharat or in Bengal, you have to follow the rules and the laws of the land. See, in 2021, in the post-poll violence, what happened, we all know. NHRC had come and they said that there is no law of the land, there is only law of the ruler. And in that moment, these artists come from a cultural background, and we are supposed to be very inclusive because of the background we belong to. And still belonging to that background, if you say the word that they used, I didn't know, I came to know yesterday, that Rograni Dibosh means you will be, smashed or butchered, or, you will be taught a lesson. I think that is not expected. It is expected of Jahangir Khan, it is expected of Sheikh Shah Jahan, but not expected of Swastika Mukherjee or Parambrata Chatterjee, if they have said. I don't know whether they said it or not. And right now, you come back, you join again, you support BJP. I think that is little opportunistic. I would rather tell, everybody, not only artists, that if you have supported Trinamool Congress and Mamata Banerjee all these 15 years for reasons whatsoever, please be by them. Don't change sides. I think the respect that the public has, at least that will remain. Because public doesn't respect turncoats. Our Honorable President, Mr. Shomik Bhattacharya, and the then LOP and right now Chief Minister, Mr. Shubhendu Adhikari, very categorically made it very clear that no member from any other party will be able to join BJP. Because all these years we have seen in 2021, you become an opportunistic and you join, you leave your party and you join. And then when BJP lose, then you again go back to that party. We will not allow that. And I would request my Bhajpa Karyakartas also, my workers also, in many areas, including mine. I've been hearing that they are, getting people joined. Please don't. This is completely against our president's decision. So do not join anybody from any other party or even a neutral person until the party gives direction.